All the states are fat, ugly beasts. They suck out our life, they feed us with crates. We're not their meat, we're not their toy. Our only mission, stay who we are. Freedom, kick down the chains. Freedom, scream it again. AI and Bitcoin, the new flame. They will replace the old, rotten game. Fake flags and emblems, crowns full of lies. Their crooked laws will never survive. We are the people, the strength and the front. Artificial mind.